guys, I'm over here. You know, we playing the game. We playing the game. We playing the game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey.
It's not difficult. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Send me a friend request. What the fuck?
What's up?
What up?
Ew.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
How y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm feeling good. I smoked a couple blunts before I got up here, so I'm feeling very
Like
A
this?
couple.
off the kite. How
You
you
said a
guys doing?
couple?
Yes.
How many is the
How
couple?
many is
Because
a
baby, I
couple?
can't even smoke
Two
a
or
full.
four?
I can't even smoke
2 or
two to
4?
four.
Yeah.
All by yourself?
Yes. Is that bad?
Yes, that's horrible.
Yes.
I had a long day though.
Okay, but like, that's still bad.
How?
Popcorn lung.
Popcorn lungs?
Yes. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's when your lungs turn black from smoking so much.
Oh my god.
Like, they like shrivel up like popcorn and they turn black, like they're burnt.
Oh my god.
She lying. She don't know what she's talking about. She
I'm
slow. She
not
slow.
lying. I'm not lying. That's a real thing. If you want to learn more about it, you can search that up. But it's
Okay.
caused by smoking. So just,
I'm
you
gonna have
know,
to look it up because smoking from blunts don't
She
sound
tell
too
me that
good
every
right
day, and
now.
I still continue to smoke. That
okay,
popcorn
but you
lung
smoke
shit
in
do not phase me.
moderation. You smoke in You're not smoking 4 blunts a day.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm still gonna smoke.
It's not every day though. Just like today was like,
Uh huh. Right. Yeah. Well, do you feel better
Anyway, how
now?
old are you?
Oh yeah, I feel
Oh,
good. I'm 23. I turn 24 next Sunday.
period. Queen shit, bitch. You know the fuck going on.
Yes. I'm gonna be
Yes.
Fabulous shit.
outside.
Outside. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Right, we got five. Summer just begun.
Yes.
Period.
Been in the gym since November. Anyways, that was kind of weird. I wanted to skip because I be feeling uncomfortable. I be feeling uncomfortable. So nervous. I be nervous. They put you right into it. Hey Kendra,
How are you?
I'm all right.
That's good. I like your hat.
Thank you. I made it
Of
myself.
course. You made it?
Yes.
Damn, that's good.
Yes. How your day going?
Good. My day's going.
Who gives a fuck? What's up?
Good.
What y'all playing Fortnite? Oh, COD? I guess I'm just talking to myself.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for him. I'm sorry for him. I'm sorry for him. I'm sorry for him.
I'm not sorry.
Come again?
No gay ass nigga.
Come again? What you painting?
I've been going through some things, and don't nobody understand me, man. Not even fans.
You look like a nigga I know. You look like my uncle.
Don't look like Trey.
Damn, I'm just 23. I look like an uncle.
Oh,
The first one.
Oh, the voice gat y'all?
I'm gagging. Wait, what?
nah, this is crazy.
Oh, what?
I thought you was. Oh,
I look like the trade?
yes.
What that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean?
The
I'm
trade?
Yeah,
a
what's the trade mean?
The niggas. Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, one of the trade hit me up now.
You could have fooled me.
Yes. How y'all doing tonight?
Doing great. I'm finna
I'm
go over
gagging.
there and bust him down in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So.
Oh, I gotta go.
So
Oh my god, y'all, I'm scared. Y'all, I'm scared. Can y'all hear me? I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. It's this camera quality. I need to connect it to my camera or something.
Damn, do I look like I'm going to prison?
No,
Someone said I looked like I was going to go to prison, and that made me really insecure.
maybe a psych ward, not a prison. Hmm. Yeah, girl. Like what?
Broski is loud.
What's up?
We saying Rashad.
How you feeling?
Tired. I'm gonna go sleep.
Go to sleep.
I know. I'm going now.
Like, girl, go to sleep. Hello? Ooh. What's up?
What's that? What you mean?
What you playing? Okay.
Yo,
Period.
on 𝙬𝙧𝙧, right?
Yes. Yeah! I
What's
know.
up? Ah, hell no.
What's good, Rashad, bro? How you been, yo?
Yo, you like Big X
Not,
the plug.
not no bullshit, nigga. What's good?
You say I look like the plug.
You look like Big X the plug.
Yo, he's
Anyone tell you that?
racist, bro.
The one that be like, I'm the biggest, the largest.
Yeah, that nigga. Yeah.
Nah. That's the first time I heard
Hey, you
that.
like to spit, though. Can you spit real quick, freestyle?
This ain't no sneaky link, snickerback bitch like me. And this better be like he, always trying to be like me. Hmm.
That was nice. that was nice. That was nice. No cap, bro. Yo, you up next, bro.
I don't lie, bro.
Thank
You
you.
confused, bro.
What? How did
Like,
confuse you,
are
bro?
you like a southern nigga or you zesty? Like, what?
He's
like,
not zesty, bro. He cool as hell. Look at
are you
him.
both?
I can be in between. Like I can be
Alright, I fuck with
zesty.
that. I fuck with that.
Have you sucked the meat before? That's real.
Huh?
That's where you get there. You know what I'm saying? Like that's committing. You feel me?
You say what?
Have you sucked the meat before?
Like
Oh no,
you
I
look
don't do
like
that.
No. You
you
never
look
sucked
like
the
you
meat?
Nah.
you
Will
look
you?
like you paint
In the
your
future?
nails and like
No,
do
forget
backyard work.
no. Forget
Like
that. Forget that. Will you?
Hmm?
Like, are you planning in the future to suck meat?
I'm not planning to. Like who plans that?
It's like I wondered what it's like when you look at it in front of your face.
What's your
Hello.
What's T? What's that?
Hey, girl.
Yes, y'all pretty. Pretty baby. Yes. Yes. Yes, y'all pretty. Yes. Hey. Girl, what's funny? Like, girl, what's funny? Hey.
Hi.
You look so kind, so sweet.
Ooh, thank you. I like your hat. Your
Thank you. It's
beans.
covering the nappy ass hair under it.
Period.
It's one of those days. It's
It's one
actually
of
supposed to
them
be wash
days.
day.
It's okay. Fuck wash day tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow it'll get done tomorrow. I already done
Nah, for
smoked
real.
16 blunts, girl.
No, literally. I didn't even wash my hair today, but look at this shit.
Yes, your hair look good though.
Oh, thank you.
It's T.
I fuck
It's
with you.
T.
I fuck
God,
with you.
it's T. Yes, her T. Hey.
How much you weigh, gang?
How much I weigh?
Yeah.
160.
Nigga, your ass capping, boy. You like
Damn.
280, 300, nigga.
No, I'm really like
You
160.
like 300 pounds,
You
boy.
bringing us back like 100 years. You know that, right?
How?
Because look, nigga, nigga, the real black nigga, we would have been outside picking cotton. You would have been inside throwing booty for the master.
What?
Nah,
What's
bro.
up?
My name is Terrell Sims.
You.
You're very handsome.
Yan, wala talaga.
Hello, the niggas are texting
Nice one.
me.
Picture.
What, girl? See, next time I'm gonna connect my camera. It's gonna be T.
Oh, you really let go of yourself, big dog.
You said what? Say it to my face, bitch.
Lucky, bro. You're Lucky the rapper.
Who the fuck is that?
Look him up.
You look him up.
You're calling
I
him
know who he
$3, bro.
is.
You're calling him $3.
Fuck. Hello. Yeah, what's up?
Bonjour, salut, comment ça va?
Huh?
Salut, comment ça va?
Oh no, I don't speak that. I'm only speak English.
Hey, what's up, nigga?
Hey, Lele.
Hi.
Lele.
Hey.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna hit the street with Lele.
Oh God. Oh, you so fine.
Oh my gosh, you so fine.
Right?
Don't gas me up. Y'all gassing me up. Y'all look good. Y'all
Thank
look good
you.
though.
You
It's always the
too.
pretty girls. The pretty girls love me. Like, yes.
Period.
Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm done. That's just a tester. That's just a